far as I can remember, we went the same route with Shumari back then, 2017 when we came up. We had a strong night departures from Vilanculo. And I had to come right up to the sandbank here to get shelter from the sandbank. We have been traveling for a few days and we came into Vilanculos to refuel. And we decided to anchor at Baso Island while we wait for a northeasterly wind to pass, so that we can catch the southwesterly wind on Saturday.
You know what colour the cover is?
En onder die boten. Daar sê van hulle.
Hulle is baie lekker.
Wow.
On Friday we met up with Alex at Baso Island and we asked him if we could get a ride ashore on his dhow. It was an amazing opportunity to film one of the most iconic Mozambican transport. Forward slowly. Okay, picking up the anchor at Baso.
Put out the set. So you climb up there.
What other toys we've got on the boat that you can
Belairo, Ivo.
On Saturday, we decided to go and explore Paradise Island, aka Santa Carolina. It was built in the 1950s by a Portuguese businessman, Juan Alves, who abandoned the hotel when Mozambique gained its independence in 1975. The hotel was made up of 10 buildings with a combined 250 rooms. Today it is just a tourist attraction and the island is guarded by the local parks board. The tide is rushing out here by Paradise Island. We are crossing a sandbar and it's kind of shallow here on the left side, and as we cross this bar we're going into deep water. You can actually see the color line here as we run over this edge of this sandbar, and we're going into deep water into a channel. And that's Paradise Island over there. Paradise Island, what a stunning view. Ilha de Carolina. Guys, we've got a sea star. Look at this. Wow. Amazing, eh? Look at the colors. Stunning. Let's put it back. Santa Carolina, 1952. How stunning is this, eh?
Wow. Wow.
What an amazing view. Okay, there are some steps coming down the veranda, coming down the steps there. And here's like a standing area. I wonder if they could have any weddings here. The minister could have stood on this pedestal over here. Bride and groom would be standing over here, and then maybe with the groomsmaids and the bridal maids, and then the rest of the congregation will be sitting up top here. And now I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yo. I wonder what the intention was here.
Parking lot.
Parking lot. How do you get the cars here?
Maybe a foundation for a
Dance floor.
skateboard park.
You know what? You know.
Airport.
Yeah, there you know what this is. This is a landing strip.
Yeah.
This is an airport. This is a
an
landing
airport.
strip.
Yeah, this is a landing strip.
Look at this.
Sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
That evening back at the boat, Ruben took advantage of an amazing sunset and took the drone up for a lovely evening flight. Please enjoy the awesome drone footage and remember to tune in to our next video where we continue on our journey to Dar es Salaam.